got something here for you that's absolutely unbelievable. This is a folding hand cart, and it starts out at about 16 inches by 12 inches, which is smaller than an airline carry on. And it opens up to over 22 and a half inches long. And it's got that adjustable handle and extends from 32 to 47 inches and also tilts from 90 degrees to 170 degrees. But the most amazing thing about this is that this little cart holds 500 pounds. It comes with two elastic ropes. It moves easily. It's got absolutely silent tires because it's got the six wheels on it, and it has a storage compartment. And it only takes 3 seconds to set it up. You can see how fast we set it up there. It's got 360-degree movability on gravel, carpet, or uneven surfaces. It's got real thick brackets on it, and yet it's just featherweight. The whole thing only weighs 6.5 pounds. So pick one up, give it a try. Let me know what you think. And I want to thank Vopi for providing me a sample of this so that I can share it with you.